Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, giving you your latest landscape update. I'm at David's place in East Plano, and David and his wife wanted to redo their landscape. They wanted to revamp it. This is a pretty shaded landscape, so we've used shade-tolerant plants. The annuals that we have out front, these are impatiens. And then back behind those, we have Gulf Stream nandinas, or I'm sorry, Obsession nandinas. In front, we have giant liriope. We use this a lot as just a nice filler texture plant. It's very, very hardy. We have abelias in the back. We have leopard plants behind those. Those are kind of the saucer-shaped leaf plant. Behind, we have oak leaf hydrangea, and if you've watched these videos, you know that we use this plant a lot in nooks in a shaded area. And what we would like to do is to surround it with evergreen plants so that when that dies back in the wintertime, then you don't notice it. But then when it comes back out, it'll grow somewhere around 4 or 5 feet tall, or a little bit taller. And it'll fill in that space with, you can see the white blooms that are on it. It's the most drought-tolerant hydrangea that we have in the Dallas area. We have used forest pansy redbud in the corner here. That's a striking redbud in that it gets a purple leaf to it. And then in the back we have carissa hollies. We've started using carissa hollies here lately. These will get somewhere 3-4 feet tall, something like that. They're one of the dwarf hollies. One of the main reason we have gone back to using these is they do well in the freezes, and that's become important to us. Then on the corner, these are dwarf Mexican petunias, and you can see that they bloom with this purple color. And then we repeated the pattern over on the other side. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, local experience you can trust.